Akanksha, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. We will keep a track of what's transpiring there. But for now, shifting focus from the battlefields to the parade ground, the Assam Regiment stands tall once again. One of the oldest and most decorated infantry regiments of the Indian Army, its proud legacy at the Republic Day will continue this year as well. It is going to be a first ever mixed scouts contingent. 144 troops drawn from 6 high-altitude units, Arunachal, Sikkim, Ladakh, Garhwal, Dogra and Kumaon scouts. They are going to be marching together this Republic Day. Take a look at this report.
This is Assam Regiment, in fact, that is very much in line with the sort of practice schedule we have, and in fact on the occasion of Republic Day we are going to see in fact these troops marching with all other in fact contingents of Indian Army. In fact, this time around it is going to be a battle phased array formation where each troop, in fact the live commentary would be there, and it will be in a synchronized way, a different sort of style, a unique style that we are going to see. Captain Aryan, first of all, tell me how significant it is specifically when we talk about the Assam Regiment. They say that it is one of the most decorated regiment. If you can talk to us about Assam Regiment, the sort of soldiers you have in the regiment, and how significant it is for you people.
Assam Regiment itself is a very decorated regiment, as you said, because the thing is, the people from Assam Regiment are not from Assam, but from all parts of Northeast, from the Seven Sisters. Also, the most important part of Assam Regiment is that we hold a unique legacy of winning the RD parade. We have been practicing since September, and practice schedule was from morning 7 o'clock till 12, and again in the evening and afternoon we used to practice. And our troop consists of their total troop composition is 144 with 2 officers and 4 JCOs. So this is the total composition of our troop.
Okay. Captain Gaurav, if you can tell me, is it for the first time that you are taking part in the RD parade?
Yeah, this is my first time.
This is your first time? How it feels, if you can, just describe the experience.
Like, since I have joined the academy, since I was in academy in NDA and IMA, the routine was mostly same. Like, we used to wake up early only. And the excitement for the POP was always there. Like, parades, it's a ceremonial parade, the excitement is always there. And same is for the RD parade, and as such, it is a national event. So, we'll be putting our best foot forward, and we are sure that we'll be winning this.